Cure tooth abscess naturally in record time with this basic technique. Before we get to the treatment, let's talk briefly about what tooth abscess actually is and how it's caused. But before that, we want to let you know about our free guide, Oral Care Handbook, the 5-step formula, which we are giving away. It basically shows you how to clean your teeth properly and what tools you need to accomplish this. It also covers nutrition and the things you must avoid to keep your teeth alive. It's available at www.teethmastery101.com/guide. What is tooth abscess? Dental abscess is a term used to describe localized collection of pus in the alveolar bone at the root apex of the tooth. Bacteria gain access to the pulp tissues of the tooth through a cracked tooth, leaking dental restorations such as crowns or fillings, or through lateral canal. What causes tooth abscess? We know that bacteria in your mouth, if left to their own devices, will cause havoc. If you don't keep your teeth clean, then the acids produced by the bacteria will lead to plaque formation and eventually tooth decay and gum disease. The following are known to increase your chances of getting dental abscess. Poor oral hygiene, not brushing or flossing routinely or effectively. Consuming lots of sugary or starchy foods and drink. These can promote bacterial growth and plaque that can lead to decay. This can result in an abscess. An injury or previous surgery to the teeth area. Bacteria can get into any damaged parts of the teeth or gums. The symptoms. Some of the main things to look out for include an intense throbbing pain in the affected tooth or gum area which occurs suddenly. Redness or swelling in your face. You might also see a white spot beneath the affected teeth. Touch it and you will feel an intense pain. If the infection spreads, you may develop a fever and generally feel unwell. How to relieve symptoms. There are some simple steps you can take to stop the symptoms for a short period while you wait to see a dentist. Painkillers usually help to control the pain, and the two most common ones are ibuprofen and paracetamol. If they don't help, then try the following. Try eating cool, soft foods if possible, using the opposite side of your mouth. Use a soft toothbrush and avoid flossing around the affected area as it will cause a lot of pain. This should help you temporarily, but if you want to completely remove the abscess, then you need oregano oil. This baby works for sores, abscesses, and toothaches. It is very potent because it's so concentrated, but that's why it works so good. It's basically a painkiller, antibiotic, and anti-inflammatory all in one. The best way to use it is by rubbing it around your gums and directly where your abscess is. Do this 3 times a day and make sure you don't drink anything or rinse your mouth for at least 30 minutes after you applied the oil. Warning: the first time you apply this oil, your mouth will burn like hell. I mean, it might be unbearable, but keep at it and you will see your dental abscess dissolve away rapidly. How to apply it? There are a couple of ways to do this. The first way is to get a Q-tip and add 3 drops of the oregano oil and apply to the affected area. You might want to stand next to a sink as it will make you salivate quite a bit and because it tastes horrible. The second way is if you have an abscess right under a broken tooth or an open cavity you can actually get into. You can do 7 drops of olive oil to 1 drop of oregano oil. The third way is if you have problems around the gum line area. Get a tablespoon of olive oil and mix in 4 drops of the oregano oil, then start swishing it around your mouth for at least 3 minutes. You should see results after the first use if you follow the instructions given here. Any side effects? No, not really, but please pay attention to the precautionary notes. Do not use this long term as oregano oil is known to interfere with iron production in your body. You just want to use it until your abscess is gone or toothache or whatever other problem you have with your mouth. If you're on blood thinners, you should know that oregano oil is also a natural blood thinner, so be mindful of this fact. Also, if you're pregnant or nursing, then be careful and seek medical advice from professionals before continuing on with this treatment. And of course, not to mention, if you have any allergies to mint or sage or lavender, basically anything from the basil family, then you need to avoid using this oil unless you want an allergic reaction. I hope this video helped, and if you are serious about ridding yourself of tooth abscess, then you definitely want to give this a try. The link to the super strength oregano oil is in the description box below if you're interested. Before you go, why not take advantage of our free offer? Oral Care Handbook, the 5-step formula. You will learn the inner secrets of how to maintain healthy teeth. It's all laid out in a step-by-step instructional plan to make your life easier and save you time. Get your copy at www.teethmastery101.com/guide. And as always, please don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and comment if you want more in-depth videos about certain teeth problems. All right, guys and girls, we'll see you later.